All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. We are working hard here this afternoon. We have 8 pilots in the air, or attempting to get in the air. Looks like 3 of them are inside of the top 64. The other bunch trying to get inside of that top 64. Yes, I know it's 5. The sun is shining as we are back and underway doing our race thing that we've been doing here all event long, battling the wind. The wind subsiding a fair bit as we look at those digits starting to come in here for our fields. Sparky MJ, your leader after 1 with a 46.6. Then you got Nurk in the number 2 spot. So 7 and 8, or 8 and 7 on your DVR screen if you're watching this. And now we get a little loosey-goosey with Sparky MJ. Now we're going to go to Nurk is your leader coming out of that spiral flags up to the top of the tower here in just a moment. Out in the front by a bunch, so no risk of mid-airs. Watching Sparky MJ, he's got some things happening there. Something a little wonky on the aspect ratio there of his camera. What we're looking at is something a little weird, but he's making it happen. Nurk now on lap number 3. We have visited with Nurk a few times here over the course of qualifying. He's currently seated in the number 32 spot with seed time, or fastest 3 consecutive, a minute 47. A minute 11 is our TQ time. We're on lap 3 with Nurk, Sparky MJ, Big Russ as well. 15 seconds still on that master race clock. Lots of time to get across that line as we're going to try and get across there with Nurk. This is going to be a close one. 5 seconds. Yeah, you got it. One more to go for Nurk. On to lap number 4 we go. Crossing over with just a wee bit to spare, about 2.4 seconds to spare. Unfortunately, King, you're done on that one. 2 laps 2:03, where it's all said and done for King. And now it's going to be a checkered flag for everyone as they cross over. Next we go over with Big Russ. He's got 2 laps in. Let's make it 3. It'll be 3 laps into 18. That is right about the cuts for Big Russ. And that is it in all. Looks like we can retrieve, oh, stand by. 1 to finish as we go back up in the air. It'll be Nurk. And now Nurk is going to be done 4 laps in this session. No changes for Nurk, no changes for Big Russ, because he was actually 3 seconds longer than his earlier round time. So no changes as we resume qualification. Our bubble right now, 3 laps to 18. We have a quad retrieval to do, and we'll get set for our next heat.